I can't believe the year 13s are leaving us and going out into the big, wild world. I guess it's kind of our fault, because we're going to year 7 and bumping them off the end. Good luck, year 13, with your future studies.
When I see year 13s, they're enormous, but I think they're too slow. I will be fast. I think I'm faster than them. I will challenge you in a race.
I want to say a big goodbye to the year 13s. We all look up to them. When I grow up, I want to be a football player. I've seen them play. They're really good. They're an inspiration to me. Good luck, year 13.
Year 13, thank you so much for being amazing role models for us younger years. We hope we can be just like you and leave such an amazing legacy behind. Good luck in your A-levels.
Thank you so much, year 13s, for being a part of the King's community. Thank you for all the contributions in the events this year, and we wish you have a bright future and good luck.
Congrats to all the year 13s. We hope you succeed in the career that you follow. You've been great role models to us here at King's, and we hope to follow in your footsteps one day.
When I see year 13, I think they sound like animals. Then they are so loud.
I can't believe it's already been a year since we started in sixth form. Thank you for being so welcoming and all the support you've given us. We're really going to miss you.
Year 13s, I can't believe the day has finally come. The day you leave us all. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the love and the care and the support that you've given us all. It would be impossible to forget all of the memories that we built together. We wouldn't have wanted to share the common room with anyone else. We look forward to hearing about the good, the bad, and the ugly about university life. So, farewell and keep in touch.